What's going on, guys? My name is Ermal. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Deadly Cobra's dev menu mod. Now this is just going to be how to install it. I'm not going to like show gameplay of it because you can find gameplay all over YouTube. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So links in the description to both of these things. Now I have the full mod and the menu only. So the full mod has everything. I have a Discord server that basically says it lists everything. Excuse me. And then obviously the menu only. None of these are included except the dev menu mod. Kind of self-explanatory. But showing you guys how to install it. In which both of them actually have install to game, but might as well just make a video on it. So first things first, I'm gonna just like start off. I'm gonna go to you're gonna like go to this PC. If you installed it in the now here's the thing, a lot of people would like install it to a whole nother different section, and they install it to another drive. Such as some people have an SD like hard drive in their computer, which to me would actually be useful. But then again, I have a terabyte, so I'm not hurting. So local, you want to go to local disk, then you want to go to program files. You want to scroll down a little bit until you find Steam. Once you find Steam, you want to go to Steam apps. Then you want to go down to up to common, down to DIDE. Dead Island Definitive Edition, then DI, which is Dead Island, and then you want to go and open up your full mod or menu, and then you can just like half screen it, so that way you can go ahead and it's easy to drag and drop. So obviously you can hit Control on it and actually drag and drop it, or you could just drag, drop, drag, drop, drag, drop. I'm not going to do it myself because just for my sake. I don't know why it says I drag stuff in and replace it 9, 12, 18. Because I wasn't even close to my Steam files that day. I was just like trying to record stuff and all that type of stuff. But that's pretty much it for me. That's basically it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. That's basically how to install. And obviously you launch the game and everything will work. Obviously if you have the full menu, you'll have to create a whole new character. If you are just doing the mod menu, you're fine. You don't have to recreate a character just for all the stats. But there's one disadvantage. One, you cannot there's not infinite points, upgrade points. So recommendation from me, get both the full mod and the menu only, so that way you do not go nuts. And also you have infinite points if you're going full. So go full, and then after you do that you just go normal. But that's pretty much it for me. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm out of here. Peace out. Please don't be long. I'm over here like trying to open Steam. Okay, 4 minutes. Not that bad. 5 minutes, whatever.